name is Odie and you are watching Odie Did It. Please subscribe on my channel and give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if you don't like my videos, and comment down below if you have any questions. So today I will share with you my honest review about the king of the price. I mean the king of the pods, the AirPods Pro. Is it worth buying in 2020? Let's find out. But first, we have to unbox this. So this is it. That's the front, that's the side, Apple logo, the top, the other side, and the back. So if you notice, there is an arrow down right there. Diyan po natin siya bubuksan. So let's start. Let's unbox. Yeah. Okay. Designed by Apple in California. Tanggalin natin. So we have manuals and some papers. No sticker. So ilagay po natin sa side. And we have the unit. Ilagay po muna natin dyan. We have a charging cord. It's a USB-C. And we have here the different sizes of air tips. And that's it. So let's unwrap the items. Wow. So ayan po siya. And in front, we have the LED light for charging or connection. At the back, we have a physical button for connection. And at the bottom is we have a charging input. And at the top, we have the cap of the AirPods. We have to flip it up to open. And inside, we have the AirPods. So the AirPods are labeled left and right, so we don't interchange them. And we have also removable air tips. And we have different sizes if you want to change according to the size of your air canal. So that's it, guys. It's a shame because we don't have a charging brick. We have to buy it separately. So let's proceed. I'm not going to run down the full specs because this AirPods Pro came out 8 months ago. It was released October 2019. So the price is aggressively $250 USD. Wow, with that price, let's see what are you getting. A microphone that filter out the background noise, accelerometer, automatic pausing, they have active noise cancellation. The battery life is equal to second generation AirPods, 5 hours playtime. They are rated IPX4 for water resistance. The charging case advertises the same 24-hour of total listening time as the standard AirPods case. And lastly, it features the QI standard wireless charging compatibility. So let's go down to the main attraction and let's connect this iPad Pro to my cell phone. My iPhone is out of battery, that's why I'm using my iPad Pro to connect. So let's start. Let's open. And there you go, it's already detected by my iPad Pro. And let's start to connecting. So it will show you guys a little bit of tutorial and set up Hey Siri, announce messages with Siri. Okay, so out of the box we have 62% battery and 77% battery of the AirPods. Subukan po natin. Okay, so left and right. Wow, this is amazing. Once you put it on, I can't hear the noise from the aircon. Wow, that's nice. So let's try to control the AirPods. Noise cancellation, let's do the transparency, the off. So the transparency is like an open headphone. The only difference is that the microphone will pick up your voice, the surround sound, the aircon, and it will play back to the AirPods. So let's turn it off. So the off feels like a normal AirPods. It can still pick up your surround sounds. Okay, so let's try out other features. Let's go to the music and we will play a song. Spotify. Okay. Wow, it has a nice sound quality. But let's try the transparency while playing a song. Okay, and we will try the off as well. Let's try the top or the press. Okay, that's it. One press and the song will pause. And if you squeeze again, the song will play. So double press to skip forward, triple press to skip backward. Okay, so long press if you want to turn on the noise cancellation, another long press for transparency, and another long press if you want to turn off the noise cancellation. So once you remove it and you return it back, the song will automatically play. Okay, so that's it. So we will pause the music a little bit and let's try the microphone and let's record. Hey, what's up? Mic check, sound check. This is your boy Odie, and we are trying the microphone from the Airpods Pro. So that's it. Let's go back to the video. So that's it, guys. Let's go down on my opinion. Is it the Airpods Pro is worth buying in 2020? What's up, guys? Ito po ako nagbabalik para sa final thoughts ko or review about this Airpods Pro. So after using it for 4 days, ang dami ko na-realize. Honestly, iba yung expectation ko kasi sa first AirPods ko, yung first generation AirPods ko is disappointment. Hindi nagagamit yung mga features niya na, still answering my phone calls on my phone, changing my music, lahat. Sa phone ko lahat ginagawa yan. Pero dito ko na-appreciate yung noise cancellation niya, iba, ang ganda. Tapos sound quality is maganda. And also, naka-fix siya sa tainga mo na dati is nabuworried ako lagi na baka mahulog lalo na pag umiihi ka sa bathroom or yun kasi parang anytime pwede siyang ma-dislodge na mahulog. Ito is yung parang siyang plunger na nakapasok sa tainga mo. So parang kahit i-shake mo yung head mo, hindi siya mahulog. And also, warning lang guys, pag naglalakad kayo, just reminder na tanggalin yung noise cancellation kasi pwede kang madisgrasya. Yun lang po yung negative thing na nakita ko at saka yung price. All in all, maganda siya sa lahat ng mga na-try ko na may noise cancellation. Siguro dahil iniisip ko mahal siya masyado. Worth it? Yes, if you have the money. Pero, i-take consider din natin na meron po ngayong bagong iPhone, the iPhone SE 2020. So yung starting price is $399. So mag-add ka lang ng $150 and there you go. May bagong iPhone ka na with bagong chips and software and all. Yun na yun, guys. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing, and that is my final and honest review of this AirPods Pro. So thank you so much, and please subscribe and wish you all a happy weekends. See you on the next unboxing.